Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off YouTube autoplay while using the app. Very easy guys. Let's launch the YouTube app first. The first thing I want you to do is to click on the lower right corner. Click on your profile picture. Now when you're at your profile, I want you to go ahead and hit the gear icon at the top right. Now if you can look at the settings menu, you have option number 4, which is autoplay. When you click on it, you essentially will have the function to turn this off on mobile and on tablet. Very important, probably if you have a desktop or if you have a laptop, you have to go on this particular device and turn this off as well. There are certain functions, certain options which when you change them, for example, restricted mode on YouTube, if you remove the restricted mode on the phone, it's not going to be removed from the other devices that you have currently logged in. For example, you're logged in through the laptop, tablet, right, another phone. You have to go and individually remove the restricted mode from all of the devices individually. While this one over here, as you saw, once when we turn this off, all the mobile phones and tablets that are logged into this account on YouTube will simply have this function changed. But probably if you have a desktop or laptop, you have to go and do the same. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.